Welcome to the Topline tutorial. Before we start with Topline, I would like to show you that we can reveal more search options in ApplStream by clicking on the down arrows located on the blue bar at the top of the screen. To explain the functions of these new search fields, we will use the module payables. As you can see, the name of the module, in this case payables, and the username are located on the top left part of your screen. Clicking on the home icon will bring you to the main menu. We can then return to our last report via last 10 links. To save the current report, click on the save icon. Then, fill in the fields called link code and link description. The link code is basically a short title you will give to this specific report in order to access it from Topline. After you have filled in these fields, click on Insert. We can see that our report, which we named Test 1, is now visible under Favorites on the main menu. The link code is also visible from within the report on the very top of your screen. The current report does not utilize the date range function, so now we will create a report which does. As you can see in the Date From line, there are multiple options. Exact value will be the exact date we've entered in the date range box. Today, we'll adjust the date to the current day. Monday will adjust the date to the previous Monday. First in month will adjust the date to the first day of the current month. First and last month will adjust the date to the first day of the previous month. First 2 months back will adjust the date to the first day of the month which preceded the previous month. First in quarter will adjust the date to the first day of the current quarter. First in year will adjust the date to the first day of the current year. We can also adjust these options by utilizing the box adjacent to the drop-down menu. Here, we can insert a number to alter from which day exactly the date will be set. You can use positive or negative numbers and 0. For now, we will just select first in month and save the report. As you can see, the date range has changed from February 12, 2012 to April 1st, 2012, which is the first day of our current month. Now we will select first in year and add 2 days by writing 2 in the adjacent box. As you can see, the date now reads January 3rd, 2012. On the very top of your screen, you can now see all the reports we've just created. This line can hold up to 10 links from the Favorites section of the main menu. These are clickable links that you can access very quickly. The rest of your favorites are located in the main menu. You can also use the second date box in date range, otherwise known as Date 2. Here we've selected the date using the calendar option. We will now send a link to this report to ourselves. First, click on the Send URL button. We will adjust the date to first in year plus 10 days, and today minus 1. So, January 11th, 2012 through April 11th, 2012. It will switch to April 11th because today is April 12th. Then, from the menu, select the user you would like to send the report to. In this case, we are sending it to ourselves, so we will choose Atea DM, then click Send. In the main menu on the right panel, we can now see mail we've received under the section titled Mail. When we click on it and open it, we can see that the dates have changed accordingly. We can delete mail by clicking on the red X, and we can add it to our favorites by clicking on the yellow star. Both of these functions are located on the main menu. We can adjust the names and positions of different items in the Favorites section by clicking on Favorites. To adjust the name, click on the pencil. To adjust the position, click on the yellow arrows. We can now see how the change in position on the main menu is also reflected from within a report.